Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we have an important topic to discuss, the best free VPNs for your PC and laptop in 2024. It's best to use VPN when you're using public Wi-Fi or any cafe Wi-Fi. Or when you are visiting dangerous website, you may use VPN to hide your IP address and protect against data leaks. First one here, Proton VPN. Proton VPN's amazing free version has no limit on data usage. It's an editor's choice winner and one of the best VPNs. Proton VPN has one of the most attractive free options I've seen from any VPN. Without paying anything at all, you can get an ad-free VPN with no data logging and no bandwidth limits. The free version provides you with 4 countries, such as your current country, United States, Japan, and Netherlands. This is my favorite one among all these 3. Second here, Privado VPN. The things I like about Privado VPN is we can access to many countries that Proton VPN give, but you will get only 10 gigabytes of data every 30 days for free. With this VPN, I think it's suitable for Netflix users who most of the time trying to find their favorite movies or TV shows that are available in different regions. The last one, Hotspot Shield Basic VPN. With free version, you will have the option to select from 5 different locations: Los Angeles, New York, Singapore, United Kingdom. You can connect to Hotspot Shield for free for a maximum of 500 megabytes of data only per day. These are the free VPN that you only need to register without paying. So, choose the one you like. For me, I like Proton VPN. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.